All right, let's get to a health alert for you tonight. Galveston County health officials are reporting an increase in pertussis cases, also known as whooping cough. In a statement sent to KHOU 11 today, the county said it's dealing with several confirmed cases with additional suspected cases currently under investigation. We reached out to the county for an exact number, but we are still waiting to hear back. It's important to note Galveston County recorded 0 cases of whooping cough last year, and health officials are now stressing the importance of vaccinations to help prevent further spread. Vaccines for children start at 2 months old, with boosters recommended for children and adults, especially if you're living with a child.